All right. 2 by 12 by 8. I've already planed it down quite a bit, actually. I think we're at, let's see, a little bit less than 1.25. So I want to take it down to 1 solid, but so we're gonna check it out. Got the dust collection. So empty. We're gonna run it one time. See what it looks like. It's gonna get loud. Got a little remote. Old lady. Already got the depth set. Ready to go. Very much dust, a little bit kicking out the front and the sides. Not a big deal. Let's check out the box. Let's see what we got. 1 pass. It's not too bad. 16th. Just keep emptying out. Taking care of it. It'll stay clean the whole time. I'll probably have to dump that bucket every 4 passes, every 1.25 inches, or a 1/4 inch rather, but I'd say it's all right.